I had mentioned that my big round comfy gray chair has broken, but I bought a replacement and it is way better than the old one. And there it is. It was about 50 bucks and I love it. It's like a lounge. It's so huge. Yeah, it's humongous. It's definitely like a lounge. Oh my god, I love it. And it has a nice tray with a cup holder and a phone holder and other things. This is wonderful. I love it. So big. I just like big chairs that I can lounge in. So, and I don't like the arms. I'm glad it doesn't have arms because they're the first things to go in chairs. The kind of strappy arms, they end up breaking. So that's what happened to my orange chairs, is the arms kept on like falling down on them. So I got rid of those. Well, actually, I donated them to somebody. They said they would fix them and they wanted them because they had the hood on them. So I guess if it was too sunny. But anyways, I'm in love with this chair. I'm glad to have it. Awesome. What do you think, Moo-moo, huh? Awesome. You've got your lounge and I've got mine. I have the air on right now because I'm trying to cool off my rig. It has gotten a bit muggy because it rained earlier. So, and the sun's out now, so yeah, it's muggy. I probably should shut my door so it can cool off in there. Okay, that's cool. Yeah? What? Taco salad? Oh yeah, that sounds nice. Yummy. Thank you. Yep, I'm just gonna let the RV cool off, but I'm in the shade right now, so it feels nice. I'm just gonna chillax in my new chair. Wow, this is wonderful. I love it. I love it, Moo-moo. So this is where we are camping at the water and electric sites. There's Panda through the trees, but we're gonna go down the road and check out the dry camping. This is Camping Loop B. We are in Camping Loop A. There's only 5 units in Camping Loop A, where here there is 10. Moo-moo, stay over here, good girl. So yeah, this is the dry or primitive section. No hookups. What is it? Psh. So this is not bad. If you're not needing any hookups, then, you know, this works just fine. It's nice and wooded. Although it wouldn't work for me because I wouldn't get solar, so... Dang, solar. That's funny. I left my welcome mat somewhere too. They're just easy to forget. This site right here is right by the water. And there's actually a pier over here. I think I'm gonna go check it out. Wait for me, good girl. Yeah, there's some kind of dock that goes out here. Nice. Moo-moo, stay. Good girl. There's also some kind of bridge, I guess, that goes over to the next site. Oh. That's unfortunate. What is it, Moo-moo, huh? Oh, this is awesome. Look. It's a beautiful river. Canadian geese way over there. Oh, with their little geeslings. Ooh, what is that? No. Oh, it was a snake. Somebody killed a snake. This dock is not the sturdiest one I've ever been on. Oh, cool. Alright, let's head back. I don't believe there are gators here, but if there were, this would be a perfect spot for them. In the deep, murky water. Away, get out of the way. want to go across the bridge, moo-moo? Okay, go. Oh, wow. I've never seen any so big. Those are huge. Yeah, those are definitely the biggest ones I've ever seen. Did you find something, moo-moo? Huh? Leads to another primitive site. I like these sites a lot. Very wooded, comfy, cozy. We do have to be careful where we step because the lady did say that the copperheads are out right now. So definitely keep an eye out for them. Huh. Beautiful spot. You ready to go back to the bike? All right. Hear fish jumping in the water. We just left Loop B, but in the middle of Loop B on the main road is a bathhouse. There's restrooms and also showers, and they're free. So we've made it to Loop D. I didn't see Loop C. I must have totally missed it. I don't know where it is, but this is right after Loop B, and this is where the campground host is. I'm not sure if these are, they look like dry, but I would figure if it was a camp host, they would probably have an electric site. But we're right here by the lake, and here's some parking for, if you're just here for the day use. It's a pretty big site right there. I think those are mainly for tents, but there are 18 sites in this section, in the Loop D section with the camp host. And it looks like there's a bathhouse here too. Yep, there is. Nice. So there's spots right here with several parking, just like back there. I believe that's mainly for tents. And then there's a pull-in site, like moo-moo's at. Guess that's for RVs, vans, and other kind of vehicles. So yep, they do have a bathhouse here as well. I hear somebody partying over there. This is where the loop ends. It's a big circle, actually, that goes around back to the beginning. There's the camp host. So that is the day use area right there. No alcohol beverages allowed. It says open from sunrise to sunset. That's where the boats launch. There is the boat launch, and there's also a dock here. It's a beautiful spot. Remember, day use here is $5, I believe. They even have a swimming area right over there. Here's our swimming area with the beach. There are no pets allowed on the beach, and there's no lifeguard on duty, so you have to swim at your own risk. It's a great spot, though. I know you're upset, moo-moo. You can't get on the beach. You love the beach, don't you? No. Good girl. I know. Look at that poor, sad face. She's like, I just want to smell the pole. I won't go on the beach. No. I said no. You can't go. It says no pets on the beach. Come on. Good girl. I know. You're a good girl. But they don't want no pets on the beach, honey. Ready to get going? Try number 3. it's burning now. Little,
It's so
little
humid
more.
out too.
I know it is.
No, your fucking dog dug a damn hole there. Break my ankle.
I was like, I hear my alarm. Oh, it's on my bike.
Your alarm for what?
Oh. What is it, reminding you to turn your bike off?
No.
Oh, your phone.
Yeah, it's time to.
Time to not eat
No,
anymore.
eat dinner
It's
and
8
that's
o'clock.
it.
It's 8 o'clock.
Okay, we're out of here. Sweet, we don't have to share. I'll give you that way. Yeah, look, can't have it.
Oh, I didn't grab any,
Oh, we have to.
Tongs?
yeah, can we just
We'll all share for it.
scoop?
Oh, yeah, but that's fine. So they made some taco salad. Mmm, yummy.
Well, you cooked the other night big spaghetti.
I love your
So
taco.
yummy.
Oh, thank you. I love your taco salad.
And of course, the caffeine chips.
Okay, so.
It's all good.
Okay, go, Hush. You could just take it and scoop it on your plate.
Oh,
Yeah, that might be easier.
Yeah, do that, honey.
Might take a little less time. Oh, we need to grab a spoon for that.
You
dressing
can just
either.
pour it. You can pour the dressing.
Okay.
Here. Use a fork.
Well, you can have. Oh, okay.
What is this right here? Is that
dressing?
dressing?
Yeah,
Huh?
it's homemade stuff.
We gotta put.
Yum.
Have to break them
I
up.
think all the lettuce got put to
I don't
the
like
bottom.
really breaking up my chips. I like them to
Did
the
you
side.
get any lettuce? Because I think that lettuce was really at the bottom of the...
I did.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. This is awesome.
You're welcome.
Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh crapper.
It's okay, here.
Oh.
God, I always love taco salad.
I forgot to bring
Yeah,
all the
I like how she does
utensils
it.
over.
Mhm.
And I didn't have any Thousand Islands, so I just made it out. You don't like the chips crunchy on your...
I do, but
Oh, she can slurp it.
pinch on the salad.
I like a bite of chip per bite.
You have fire ash on your forehead.
Dang it.
It is Sunday.
It's not Ash Sunday, though.
Well,
It's
there's
past.
no such thing as Ash Sunday, is there?
Ash Wednesday. Yeah, you're right. It's not Ash
I just wanna
Sunday.
make
It's
sure.
Ash Wednesday.
Thank you.
Here. You get the
Oh, cool.
little napkin. I tell you, I'm enjoying the air conditioning over there.
Oh my god, the air conditioning is amazing in this humid climate. It's really awesome.
Really, really humid here.
And it's probably good for the systems to run so they're getting used.
Right.
You know, I remember, well, I did turn it on the other day just to cycle it, but
We're going to have enough chocolate salad for
Our
lunch
fire
tomorrow.
I know there's a lot of taco salad.
I know. But because I figured then we'd have taco salad for lunch.
It still didn't
Then we
like...
only have to make something once.
Yeah.
Ajay, I can bring my rake over and we can rake up all those little pieces. That will burn.
Yeah. Because I don't think this is gonna, like...
I think all of it was so wet.
Yeah, because it rained today, earlier today. That's why it was so humid. Oh well, we tried.
And yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, maybe because I had you turn that on.
Oh yeah,
Maybe that.
it seems to blow. I turned it on last time and it blew it completely out. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I am recording. That's what I'm talking about. So I said I shouldn't be recording.
Yeah.
You're all like... Yeah.